Lifestyles Philippines General Manager, Miss Chantel Gonzalez. Take it away, Ma'am
Yes.
Chantel.
Yes. Good morning and thank you so much for your introduction, Sir Hill Panday. Thank you for calling me pretty.
Na-mute, ma'am.
Yes, thank you. Thank you so much for your introduction to the very pogi Sir Hill Panday. Thank you for calling me pretty. Alam nyo naman tayo dito sa Lifestyles lahat, guwapo at guwapa. Tama?
Yes.
Yes. Lahat gwapo at gwapa dahil ang pag-inom ng lifestyles products lalong nakakagwapo at lalong nakakagwapa.
Yes.
Sa mga hindi pa umiinom ng mga prospects natin, inggitin natin sila ng todo sa kagwapuhan at kagandahan natin. At
Yes.
inggitin natin sila sa level of energy natin because energy is money.
Morning.
So the more energy we have, the more we will attract money, the more we will attract positive vibes into our life, the more we will attract positive people into our lives, and the
Yes.
more we will attract positive people into our mission. So ang mission natin is to help people live better every day. Paano natin sila tulungan maka-live better kung hindi natin sila unang ma-attract? So paano natin sila ma-attract? It's from our positive and exciting and cheerful energy. So, once again, good morning to you all. Good morning from Makati City, the home of the very beautiful and grand Lifestyles Philippines headquarters, a symbol of kung gaano kalaki ang kumpanya natin. And good morning sa lahat ng bumati sa atin, everyone joining us this morning. I could hear your cheerfulness sa pagbati ninyo kaninang umaga pa. All over Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. May nadinig pa akong bumati sa atin from Singapore. And I think joining us also are from other parts of the world because we are a global business. Thanks to the wonders of technology and thanks to the wonders of our Lifestyles Global Business, nandito tayo, nagsasalo-salo over the internet, kung saan man tayo, nagtitipon-tipon tayo to share and para makahawa sa mga energy natin. So for today, we have a very exciting topic, the Lifestyles Loyalty Program or LLP for short. Sabi nga ni Sir Hill, lalaki ng lalaki ang pera natin sa LLP. So, LLP is one of the most generous incentives ng lifestyles. So, lagi natin sinasabi, the lifestyles opportunity is the most generous in the world. Bakit generous ang lifestyles, no? Kasi kung lifestyler ka, ang dami mong maa-avail na generous plans ng lifestyles. Nandiyan na yung mga incentive trips, nandiyan na yung mga very generous parties, nandiyan na yung mga very generous incentive programs, and ang pinaka-generous na commission scheme ng lifestyles. This is really, I've been in the industry for close to 30 years na po. This is really the most generous marketing plan and the most generous company in the world. So, kabilang na doon yung very generous natin na LLP, which is makakainom ka ng free intra po, kahit anong rank mo, kahit GMD ka or direct distributor ka or ID na distributor ka pa lang, makakainom ka ng maraming maraming libreng intra at kailangan i-share mo ito kahit sa mga customers mo, makalibre din sila. So, ang hindi natin minsan nare-realize is pag nag-avail ka ng LLP, matuhog mo lahat ng programa, lahat ng incentive programs ng lifestyles. Makainom ka na ng libre, di ba masarap pag libre? Tapos, dahil sa LLP, isa yan sa tools mo para lumaki din ang commission mo, para makakwalify ka rin for incentive trips. Matuhog mo na yan lahat hanggang sa promotions mo to executive director, promotion mo to ED6QLPL, promotion mo to NMD, promotion mo to IMD, and promotion mo to Global Marketing Director. Lahat yan hanggang promotion mo to GMD, matuhog mo yan hanggang maging lifestyles millionaire ka. Imagine mo yon, sinashare mo na nga yung opportunity na makainom ng libre, all the way ikayayaman mo yan hanggang sa pagiging GMD mo. Okay? So naniniwala ba kayo sa kasabihan na people don't care how much you know until they know how much you care?
Yes.
Ito po yung best way of how do
Yes.
we show that we care. Kung hindi nyo pa napapansin, medyo ngongo po ako ngayon at medyo nakakaramdam ako ng konting sipon at konting ubo. Sigurado din ako, yung mga customers, friends, downlines, prospects ninyo, nakakaramdam din ng mga ganyang simptomas. Paano nyo sila kakamustahin nang may ino-offer tayong solusyon sa kanilang health challenges, sa mga health challenges ng mga anak nila at mga kapamilya nila? So, since tayo ang merong solusyon, tayo ang merong regalo at blessing na kamustahin sila, na hawak natin ang solusyon para sa mga challenges nila sa buhay. So, dahil doon, ito po ang dahilan natin para kamustahin natin sila. Whether umiinom na sila ng products or hindi pa sila umiinom, pareho yan chance natin na kamustahin sila. So at this point, gusto kong i-congratulate ang ating mga nag-top sa LLP last month. Congratulations to our top NMDs, IMDs, and GMDs na nag-top. So ngayon po, sisimulan ko na ang pagpapakilala sa ating next speaker. Top 1 siya sa LLP last month. So we already recognized her at the last RLT in Cebu. Alam po natin that this is a team effort from her team. They did not accomplish this overnight. Kasi po, kung solo effort ito, posibleng ma-accomplish mo to ng ganyan-ganyan lang. But since this is a team effort, it takes days, weeks, and months, or even years to achieve this team effort. So dahil team effort ito, hindi siya overnight success, hindi siya sa panandaliang success, because it's a team effort, may ups, may downs, no? It takes constant reminders. It takes pagiging makulit na makulit na makulit. It takes a very high level of leadership para ma-achieve ito, ang team effort na ito. And ito po, talagang overtime na-achieve na po nila. And I would like to give the floor now to our current top 1 in LLP growth for the month of September and our current national ambassador of Lifestyles Philippines. Shall we give the floor to the sexy and the beautiful and very inspiring Global Marketing Director, Mitch Faustino. Take it away, GMD Mitch.
Yes, good morning, and thank you so much, GM Chantel, for introducing me. And alam niyo po, lahat ng sinabi niyo, parang ano na, parang tapos na. Dami lang nilang nakuha yung mga distributors natin inside the room, kung paano talaga palalakihin ang LLP. Thank you so much, GM Chantel, for loving the PH distributors. Damang-dama po namin ang pagmamahal ng corporate. Thank you so much. And I'd like to congratulate all of the distributors inside the room. Grabe, ang dami-dami nyo. Grabe, palakpakan nyo naman ang mga sarili nyo. Yes, you are here. You're all awesome. Grabe. So, executive directors in up po ay yung na nandito. And I'm sure lahat kayo really aspiring to increase your LLPs. Siyempre, pag dumami ang LLPs natin, isa lang ang ibig sabihin nun. Maraming papasok na pera sa ating mga bulsa. And we love it! Di ba? Yan, kaya tayo nandito. Kasi gusto talaga natin ng maraming pera. Okay. So, I think you are all ready. You are all excited. Katulad ko, sobra akong excited to share itong aking knowledge and itong kung paano namin ginagawa itong LLP, how we grow our LLP in our team. And I hope and pray na lahat din kayo makakuha kayo. Para lahat tayo naglalabanan sa top 1. Wow, yun ang masarap. Yes! Hey, hey! So, now I'd like to share my screen with you, my slides with you, para ma-share ko na sa inyo dahil sobra na akong excited to share with you itong aking pinaghirapan, di ba? Okay. So, I hope nakikita nyo na ang aking screen. Okay, wait lang po. Kailangan kong palakihin ang screen natin. Okay, ayan. So my topic today is all about increase your money through our LLP program. Okay, so sabi nga ni Sir Hill, kapag marami kang LLP, maraming pera, di ba? So, I'd like to start this presentation doon sa paano nga ba kami lumaki. Because at first, hindi ko masyadong pinapansin yung LLP, no? Nung unang pinopromote nila, parang wala lang sa akin. Basta nag-place lang ako ng order. Hindi ko alam na ang laki pala ng effect ng LLP to grow our organization. 'Di ba? So, ano yung una, our objectives here, yung ating object on goals natin, no, to increase your customer base, your user, of our lifestyles products. So kasi hindi lang talaga naghahanap tayo ng business builder, but you know what, along the way, you're looking for your leaders, nakikita natin tong mga customer base natin, yung mga users natin. And sabi nga ni Ma'am Chantel kanina, we can also help them how to have a free intra, paano sila makakalibre through our LLP program. So, ito po yung mga ginagawa namin, no? Kung hindi pa ready mag-business, ito ginagawa namin, ini-introduce talaga namin natin yung LLP program natin na pwede silang magkaroon ng free products. That's one. And to maintain your monthly qualification through LLP program. Alam nyo po, for those who are here na nasa Zoom, lahat po tayo, I know, lahat tayo gumagawa ng business. You know what? Ang sikreto, isa sa mga sikreto ng mga team namin to qualify and to get the royalties is to just have LLP program. Ilan lang yung LLP you can qualify already. Mamaya i-discuss ko po yan, ano? And to increase your monthly payout, you just imagine, through LLP, no? Ang laki-laki ng pwede mong potential income dito. And also is to have a stable volume, no? And of course, ito nga ang pinakamasarap. Okay, wait lang ha. Ayan. Yung last natin, sorry. O, pakibasa nyo nga yung last natin. Hindi ko ma-down. Okay. So, yeah, wait. Sorry. Oh my gosh. Ayan. Ayan. Yung last natin na please read naman Jean Reyes. Ikaw nakikita ko eh. Hindi ko makita. Sorry. Okay. So, yung
Mami,
last na,
ako na lang po. Ako
Hi.
na lang po.
sige pakina lang, please.
To find your future business builders in your organization.
Yan, yun ang last natin. Sabi nga ni Ma'am Chantel kanina, you can start with the LLP, pero ang dami mong pwedeng makuha, no? You can be a GMD, you can be an NMD qualified, ED qualified because of this program, okay? So ito yung ito yung maganda dito sa ating LLP program. Okay. Now, ito naman ang first gagawin natin, no? Ito yung, this is what will we do. Okay. Hindi down. Okay, ayan. First thing first. Ayan. Kung ikaw executive director today, lahat ba tayo executive director na nasa end up, nasa room natin? You must
Yes.
be, lahat
Yes.
kayo, dapat alam nyo na how to operate and to open your PBC. So lahat ba kayo alam nyo na mag-operate ng PBC nyo? That's very important. Why? Because diyan sa PBC ninyo natin, no? Diyan natin makikita lahat ng mga distributors na naka-LLP at wala pang sa LLP. On your PBC, you can check who are on LLP program and those who are not yet enrolled in LLP. So matatrack ninyo yan kung mga sino-sino yung hindi pa nakaka-LLP, yung naka-LLP na. And here, sa mga downlines natin na naka-LLP or hindi pa naka-LLP, the key here is really to follow up, no? Ipapollow up mo talaga. So by calling them and reminding them on their LLP program. So katulad ko, pag September 6 pa lang, no? September 6 pa lang because that's first day of our LLP. Tinatrack ko na talaga, chine-check ko na, nagre-remind na ako, no? You can chat them, yung iba hindi nagre-response, you can call them, sabi nga, kapag ikaw, lagi kang nagpa-follow up, nararamdaman nila yung ano mo, yung presence mo, they will always remember yung, mag-LLP nga pala ako, it's second month ng LLP ko. You have to remind them yung mga free nila, magkakaroon na silang free, kasi yung mga ano natin, mga distributors natin or even yung mga customer base natin, na-excite sila dun sa libre. Katulad nung ako nga, nasa Bicol pa ako, may mga tumatawag na sa akin. Sabi, ma'am, di ba may libre na ako ngayon? Just imagine. Chat ko pa lang yun, chinachat ko, di ba may libre na ako ngayon? So sabi ko, pagbalik ko ng Manila, mag-uusap tayo, di ba? Because all these people, yung mga customer base ninyo, yung mga IDs ninyo on LLP, they can be your future business partner at sila din ako in my experience, kinakausap ko sila na they can also sponsor having LLPs na meron din silang LLP, meron din silang circle of friends nila, yung mga customer based ko. At alam nyo ba, may mga nakukuha ako doon na they are on their LLP also. 'Di ba? So, doble-doble na yung PGB mo pag yun ang nangyari. So, isa yan yung mga yung mga tips ko sa inyo, okay? And of course, yung last natin, the last one is, pakibasa nyo na lang yung last one.
Encourage them to
Encourage them
finish
to
the whole
finish the whole
cycle.
cycle.
Yan, dapat yun. Kasi maraming distributor, even yung mga hindi sila nagtatapos ng LLP nila. So, alam niyo, ang tip ko talaga, ako pag ganon, parang, ma'am, wala kasing wala pang budget, ganon, marami silang sinasabi. Actually, nanghihinayang lang sila. Dahil, pag pumupunta ako dun sa kanila, I see to it na makita nila talaga yung value. Bakit ba sila gagawan nila yun ng paraan, babudgetan talaga nila yung LLP? Because, pag nakita nila yung value na nawawala sa kanila, oo nga, nare-realize nila, oo nga, gagawan nila ng paraan para makakuha sila ng LLP nila. Just imagine ang laki ng binibigay ng lifestyles because sabi nga ni Ma'am Chantel kanina, very generous yung company natin. The only company in this country na sobrang generous magbigay ng mga libre sa lahat ng distributors natin. Kaya sobra tayo talagang napakapalad natin, no, na nandito tayo sa lifestyles. Okay? So ngayon, another, ito naman, kung ano yung mga gagawin ninyo, no? What will you do? Para naman, mga bibigyan ko kayo ng tips, paano naman kayo makakakuha ng mga LLP. Gusto nyo ba yon? Yeah, okay. First, you have to set your goal. Okay, mag-goal ka. Siyempre, kailangan mo meron kang goal in mind, pupuntahan. Set your goal how many LLP you want to enroll for this month. Kunyari, ngayong September, mag-goal ka na. Ilang LLP gusto ko? 'Di ba? Laging sinasabi ng corporate sa atin, the increment of 20% is suggested for you to have an increasing volume and payout every month. Kaya siya 20%, no, na sinasabi. Kasi alam mo yung pag 20% nag-i-increase ka, just imagine how big, gaano kalaki yung volume mo pagdating sa LLP. Sa LLP pa lang ang laki ng volume. You can have power leg in LLP alone. 'Di ba? So kung yung mga downlines mo in your organization, sabihin mo na may tigsi 7 na LLP yun. Sabihin mo na lang 7 na lang. Ang laki nun, no? Tapos magkano pa yung payout mo? Imagine mo sa 20% pa lang ang laki ng payout mo. If you have, sabihin mo na 7 LLP additional, aba, meron kang 10,000. Sa 7 lang yon. What if kung meron kang 14? May 20,000 ka na, right? Di ba? Galing, no? So, ito yung mga suggested ko na strategies to increase your LLP. Okay, sa amin, sa team namin, lagi ko sinasabi to when we have our meeting, kung paano nila mai-increase yung LLPs nila. And I encourage all of them to increase really their prospecting. Kasi so doon sa prospecting natin, we share our business, our products, our sa STP natin. Tapos they have also running pages nila. Ang dami-dami talaga nilang nakukuha dyan. Not only for LLP ha, una nag-LLP muna, and eventually, ang pinakamasarap doon, they close them as instant or express direct. Yun yung yun yung nakikita ko dito sa organization namin. So, increase your activities. One of the mga ways na pwede mong ma-increase ang LLP mo. Sa lahat ng ginagawa mo, right? 'Di ba namamalengke ka, bumibili ka ng bigas. Alam mo ang tinuturo ko sa kanila, pag bibili kayo ng bigas, hindi sa isang tindahan lang. Bibili kayo ng 1 kilo sa isa, 2 kilo doon sa kabila. Kasi they are starting their prospecting doon sa mga tao, 'di ba? And eventually, kapag nasi-share nila yung products, yung opportunities, um, nagiging customer base natin, or even business builder natin, yung mga yon. And those who are enrolled in LLPs, make a follow-up notebook. Meron kami nito, follow-up notebook, sino na yung mga nag-LLP, sino yung prospected na mag-LLP mo, na bago, ayan, sino yung naka-LLP na, may check na yon. So talagang magbibigay ka talaga ng time dito. Kasi in growing your LLP, customer-based, yung distributor LLP mo, kailangan mo talagang really have to take time na mag-check, mag-follow up. 'di ba? So, sa mga customer-based ko, sa mga IDs ko, mga ka 20%, kapag nagpa-follow up ako sa kanila, sometimes kasi isa sa mga ginagawa ko, pinapasyalan ko sila. And I bring something, pagkain. Kasi alam nyo, kapag, alam mo ba, yung, ewan ko sa inyo kung nakaka-relate kayo sa akin, kapag nagbigay ka something, kahit hindi mag-i-LLP, mag-i-LLP na, di ba? Kasi nagdala ka ng prutas, 'di ba? Nagdala ka ng kakanin, 'di ba? Tapos nagchika-chika ka. Yun ang the way I follow up those na nag-LLP sa akin na hindi naman nag-a-attend. Alam mo yung ganun, you're just building friendship and relationship. Tapos meron kang LLP, tapos nagre-refer pa sila, 'di ba? Oh my God. Ang dami talaga nating makukuha rito. And our regular team meeting, sa team meeting namin, ito tip ko sa inyo. Sa regular team meeting namin, we promote LLPs. Lagi kong rini-remind sa kanila. So, LLP na, na-check na ba kayo? Kayo ba nakapag-LLP na? Kayo mismo? And then check your team, check your organization, your downlines. Nakapag-LLP na ba sila? Call them, chat them. Lagi kong nire-remind yun sa kanila because you are already executive director and meron na rin kayong team. So, ganun din gagawin nyo sa team nyo para you multiply. Ang goal natin is really to duplicate and multiply. Kapag nag-multiply tayo, grabe, hindi natin ma-imagine kung gaano to kalaki, no? So, ayan. And, ayan, in our regular team meeting, sa Hope, even sa Hope, sa mga small Hope namin, later may Hope kami, kasama to, pinopromote namin sa Hope namin yung mga LLP, kasi may mga bagong guest doon and they are familiarized with this program, na pwede kang makalibre, kahit hindi ka pa man nagsimula ng business, di ba? Ayan. So, and we also give, meron din kami sa team namin, kapag nakuha nila yung LLP goal nila for the month, we also give rewards, diba? Nasisiyahan din sila na meron silang reward after nilang makuha yung LLP nila, yung goal nila, papakita nila sa amin, and then we also give reward, no? So, may ilang kilong bigas, ganyan, mga ganon. I don't know kung paano nyo gagawin sa team ninyo. These are just some suggestions and strategies that you can grow your LLP, right? And what you get as a distributor actively promoting LLP? Anong makukuha mo naman as distributor? Kasi lahat tayo dito distributors. All distributors who are enrolled will get a free 8 bottles of Intra for 1 year. Just imagine, that's 14,960 free products. At hindi lang ito para sa mga distributors, no? It is also applied doon sa lahat ng nag-LLP sa team mo, whether it is a distributor or user or ID, lahat 'yan. Meron tayong 8 bottles of Intra. Just imagine, very generous talaga yung lifestyles. Kung ano pa yung pinaka-sellable na product, yun ang libre natin. Ay, galing-galing talaga ng lifestyles. And if you have 7 LLPs on 20%, mind you 7 LLP lang, you are automatically qualified for royalties, to get royalties, and your check, and you have a check amounting to 10,584. 7 LLPs lang yon. O imagine mo kung meron kang 14 LLP, sa'yo lang yun sa ikaw pa lang to. Kung mayroon kang 14, so may 20,000 ka na kaagad additional, aside from royalties mo, aside dun sa ina-sponsoran mo pang instant or express direct. Di ba? Ang dami talagang pera natin sa lifestyles, no? Sisipagan lang talaga natin. Talagang didisiplinahin lang natin ang sarili natin na mag-share, no, ng ating products and also the business. And ito ang maganda. So, qualified ka sa mga interactive workshop, ni GMD Peng. And of course, itong sabi ni Ma'am Chantel kanina, hindi ko makalimutan. Alam mo, kapag nag-LLP ka, those who are under your organization na nag-LLP, they are your future business builder. Kasi po ako, nag-start lang ako sa product din. So, nung ako nag-inom ng product, natuwa ako sa result, gusto ko makalibre, and that's only my, my motivation before, makalibre lang ako. At hindi ko akalain na nung makita ko yung presentation, ang laki-laki pala, ang ganda-ganda pala ng opportunity. At doon na nagsimula, no, na naging business builder ako. Kaya yung mga umiinom ngayon na hindi pa ready, hindi mo alam in the future, they can be your GMD, di ba? Grabe talaga. Ang dami ng pwede nating makuha dito pa lang sa LLP program na to na ino-offer ng ating company. Kaya very lucky tayo that we are here in Lifestyles. So, I think lahat ko na nasabi, no? I am so honored to share with you itong mga ginagawa namin sa team namin para kami lumaki at dumami ang LLPs natin. And I hope lahat kayo din nakakuha ng insight or ng tip kung papaano kayo lalaki ang inyong LLP at maging sa inyo, no, additional big income ng ating organization, right? So sabi nga sa Galatians 9:6-9, let us not be weary in doing good, for at the right time and the proper time we will reap a harvest if we do not give up. Dan. So, wag lang tayo mag-give up, no? Tuloy-tuloy lang tayong mag-share because our mission is to help people live better every day. Yan ang mission natin. So, kaya wag lang kayo tayong panghihinaan ng loob, no? Tuloy-tuloy lang because at the proper time, I know all of you here will become GMD. Thank you so much. That's all for today. And to God all be the glory.
Thank you so much, GMD Mitch.
Thank you, GMD
Thank you
Mitch.
so much.
GMD
Thank you
Mitch.
po.
Thank you, GMD Mitch.
Thank you, Ma'am
So
Mitch.
much.
Idol.
Thank you, Ma'am Mitch.
Thank you, Sir
Mitch.
Thank you. Madaming
Sa mga
natutunan.
nanonood, di pa po tayo tapos. Thank you so much, GMD Mitch, our reigning national ambassador. Our very gorgeous and very practical po ang tips ni GMD Mitch. And I know for a fact na talagang one of the most inspired leaders siya and well loved by her team. And again, I would like to congratulate her entire team. Please extend my congratulations to your entire team, GMD Mitch, for achieving the top 1 in LLP growth. Alam ko naman lahat ng nakikinig ngayon, nag-LLP na kayo, but this is about mission, about sharing what we know that will help them. So this is about growth, growing our organization and sharing our mission para lumaki po. Lumaki po talaga ang mga nag-LLP, lumaki po ang team LLP natin. And ang pinaka nagustuhan ko sa tips ni Ma'am Mitch, kung bibili ka rin lang naman ng bigas, bumili ka ng 1 kilo sa isa, 1 kilo sa kabila, 1 kilo sa kabila, para lahat sila prospect mo. At kung every week ka bumibili ng bigas, lahat sila suki mo. Ganon din sa pagbili mo ng ibang bagay. Ganon din sa lahat ng activities natin. We incorporate our lifestyles mission in our daily activities. Kasi nga, kung love mo yung mission mo, love mo talaga, you will find ways to do anything and everything to keep on sharing our mission. Total, lahat naman ng tao nangangailangan ng better health. Kahit magbibigas pa yan, kahit manikurista pa yan, kahit beautician pa yan, kahit nagwawalis pa yan, kahit tricycle driver pa yan, kahit ano pa yan, kailangan niya ng better health. Meron siya or kamag-anak niya na may health challenges. At lahat yan ng kakausapin natin, lahat yan nangangailangan din ng pera. Yan naman ang pinakamagandang regalo natin, pera, because our gift is the best gift, the best opportunity in the world to make extra income, to earn extra money. And dito po talaga lalaki ng lalaki ang pera natin and nakakapagpayaman at nakakapagpatupad ng mga pangarap sa buhay. At this point, I also want to introduce our next speaker. Kilalang-kilala niyo siya. Kung ang pinag-uusapan ng mga gwapa at gwapo, ito po ang gwapo. Okay, he is part of our corporate team, our senior business development manager. Let's all welcome Mr. Hill Panday to share to us how about our tools to help us grow our LLP. Take it away, Sir Hill.
Yes, good morning and thank you Ma'am Chantel for your warm introduction. Okay, naririnig niyo ba ako? Say yes nga if naririnig niyo ako.
Yes.
Yes.
Alright.
Yes.
Yes,
Good
po.
morning
Yes.
everyone. And I am live from Toronto, Canada. Yes.
Ba?
Kasi
Wow.
lahat kayo naka-Philippines
Sama
eh.
kami.
Sama kami.
Meron palang isa na taga Singapore. So, iibahin ko sa akin from Toronto, Canada. Okay lang ba yon?
Yes.
Ambition lang ako. Okay, so good morning once again to all of you. And grabe, jam-pack tayo today. Nag-uumapaw ang ating Zoom room. Palakpakan naman natin ng isa't isa. Okay, so game changer talaga itong LLP natin. This is the secret to a more stable volume and more stable income. Okay, so nakapag-LLP na ba ang lahat? Nakapag-LLP na ba ang lahat? Thumbs
Yes.
up nga yung mga nakapag-LLP na.
Yes.
Yes.
Sa mga hindi pa nakapag-LLP, you have until kailan? Next Tuesday, okay, to finish your LLP and the LLP of your team, okay? So before I start, I would like to remind everyone to please keep your mic on mute, okay? And then you may or may not open your camera. Pero I suggest po na please open your camera para nakikita ko naman yung mga beautiful faces. Okay? So, let's start. Okay, so today I am tasked to talk about our PBC. How can you can maximize your PBC in growing your LLP and the LLP of your team. Okay. All right. Okay. So on your screen is pag magla-log in kayo sa inyong personal business center, ha? Rinig, all right. Okay. So on your screen is kung if you're using a laptop or a computer, yan po yung landing page or yung makikita ninyo. But I believe most of you are using cellphone pag naglag-log in kayo sa inyong personal business center. First of all, walang nakikita sa screen. Okay, wait. Wait lang. Okay, anong nakikita sa screen? Mukha ka lang?
Yun po.
Okay,
Si Sir
wait lang.
Hill, yung gwapo.
Yung
Wait
gwapong
lang.
face mo, sir.
Okay.
Artista.
Okay, anong nakikita niyo sa screen?
Artista pa rin. Yung gangster
Ikaw
Hell
pa rin.
Panday.
Skill.
pa rin po.
Sir Hell, ikaw daw sa
Tao pa.
Ako pa rin. Ako pa rin? Hindi ba kayo
Oo,
nagsasawa sa
yes.
face ko? Wait lang ha, wait lang.
Hill, i-share ko na lang, Hill.
Alright, okay. Sige. Okay. Thanks, Joyce. Alright, okay. Ano nakikita niyo sa screen? Lifestyles Loyalty Program?
Yes,
Yes.
LLP.
Ika na po.
Apo.
LLP.
All right.
Yes.
Okay, next
Yes.
please. Okay, personal business center. Lahat ba kayo nakakapag-open na ng inyong personal business center?
Yes.
Sure, lahat kayo
Yes, sir. Yes,
nakakapag-open
sir.
na ng inyong personal business center. So today, I am tasked to talk about how you can use your personal business center to maximize the growth of your LLP and the growth of your team's LLP. Okay, next. Okay. So on your screen, pag magla-login ka sa PBC mo using a laptop or a computer. But I believe that most of you are using cellphone pag nagla-login. Yes or yes? Okay. So next
Yes.
please. Okay, very important na alam ninyo ang inyong ID number and password. Okay. Meron ba sa inyo na hindi alam ang password? Okay, wag na kayo mag-hands up. Okay, pag hindi niyo alam ang inyong password and ID, you can always ask assistance from our customer service team or you can ask your upline to help you determine your password and your lifestyles ID and password. Okay? At saka pag alam na ninyo, please save it. Save it, but don't share it to anybody. Okay? Dapat ikaw lang nakakaalam ng ID and lifestyles ID and lifestyles password mo. Okay? So, nag-login na tayo. Pag nag-login kayo, sige Joyce, labas mo lang. Pag nag-login kayo, yan ang makikita ninyo. Okay? So, makikita ninyo on your right side, yung mga orders and PGV ninyo. Pag click nyo yung plus sign, makikita ninyo yung mga orders and yung PGV ninyo, current PGV, volume by leg report, genealogy downline report, commission report, upline listing report. And then, on your left side is makikita ninyo yung dashboard ninyo. Makikita ninyo kung may PGV na ba. But for presentation purposes, nakalagay po dyan si Jill Vivas. Okay? And 0 po lahat yan. Okay? So, sa real world po, meron po yang laman. Okay? Especially pag ED ka na. So, makikita mo niya kung to date, ilan na ba yung PGV mo, ilan na yung PV mo, may OV ka na ba, meron ka na bang leg in bonus, and marami pang iba. Okay? So, but for the purpose of presentation, dahil LLP ang pinag-uusapan natin, ang ating i-explore today is ang inyong genealogy and downline report. Nakikita ba ninyo yung genealogy and downline report? All right. Okay. So,
Yes.
yan. Sa genealogy and downline report, nakikita ninyo down to level 3 ang nakalagay. But actually, you can click that up to level 10 po yan. Okay? So, assuming for today, level 3 lang. And just click all countries. Since international ang business natin, click all countries. And then, click all downline. And then, click view report. Okay? Next, please. Okay. So, pag click nyo na yung view report, yan po yung makikita ninyo. So, pagpasensyonahan nyo na, blinur po talaga namin yung mga name and mga ID number para hindi niyo malaman. But this report po is very helpful. Hindi lang po sa LLP ha, pero very helpful din po ito sa pag-check kung due for renewal na ba ang downline ninyo or nag-expire na siya or ilan na ba ang PGV ng downline ninyo, kulang pa ba ang PGV niya, kulang pa ba ang OV niya, and ilan na ba ang legs niya and ang power legs niya. So hindi lang po ito pang LLP. Then to the rightmost side ng report ninyo, may nakikita kayong LLP date and LLP cycle. 'Di ba? I'm sure many of you ginagamit na itong report na ito sa pag-monitor ng LLP ng mga downlines ninyo. Okay? So sa LLP date, dyan yung makikita kung kailan last nag-LLP yung downline mo. So for example, downline ko si Queenie. Ang nakalagay dyan, May 21, 2024. So, ibig sabihin, matagal na pala siyang hindi nag-LLP. So, you can contact Queenie. Queenie, ang tagal mo na palang hindi nag-LLP. Gusto mo bang mag-enroll ulit sa LLP program natin para ma-avail mo ulit yung libreng product? And then yung LLP cycle, din mo rin malalaman kung ano yung last LLP cycle niya. So for example, kung LLP 3 yan, ang last cycle niya last month, ibig sabihin pang LLP cycle number 4 niya na this month. Pag LLP cycle number 4, anong ibig sabihin nun?
My free.
Meron na siyang libreng product. So, i-remind mo siya, if you avail of the LLP today, meron ka ng libreng product. Okay? So, next please. Okay, next please. Right, next lang. Okay. For the purpose of comparison, malalaman mo kung ano yung naging LLP mo last month and ano yung hinahabol mong LLP in the current month. Okay? So, for example, for presentation purposes lang ito ha. Yung last month mo was August 2024 and then yung current month mo is September 2024. Nung August 2024 daw, paki-click please, Joyce. Sa pinakailalim, may makikita kang dashboard ng LLP mo. Okay? So last month, no August 2024 daw, yung total LLP points mo is 25,195 and ang LLP count mo is 121. Ibig sabihin yan ang na-achieve mo nung last month. And in the current month, assuming September 16 yan, for example, September 16, 2024, ang current LLP points mo is 11,600 and ang LLP count mo is 51. So, ibig sabihin, medyo malayo-layo ka pa para mapantayan mo yung LLP count mo and LLP volume mo last month. So, anong gagawin mo? Pupuntahan mo yung mga downlines mo ngayon and check on them kung sino pa ang hindi nakapag-LLP. Okay? Yan po ang kagandahan ng dashboard para malaman mo na in the current period, saan na yung LLP mo. Okay? At alam nyo ba, sabihin mo, ano?
Ano?
No.
Ano?
Ano?
Baka kasi
Ano?
natutulog na kayo dyan. Okay.
Ano?
Alam nyo ba, pag clinic
Ano?
nyo yung LLP sa current month ha, pag clinic nyo yung LLP count, pag clinic nyo lang, may lalabas na report. Anong lalabas na report? Charan! Yung LLP comparison ng current month and ng previous month. Okay, so i-go through natin ha. So, ang comparison is April compared to May. Yung left side is April and then yung right side is May. Nung April 7 daw, meron ka ng 915 points o yung LLP mo is 915 points. Then, ang total cumulative ng LLP ng team mo is 4,575 points na. Ang total LLP count is 25. Ngayon sa current month which is May 7, yung LLP volume mo or points is 540 and ang total cumulative na LLP ng team mo is 1,620. Then ang total LLP count is 9. So nakikita nyo kung i-compare mo, nakikita mo pa lang sa first day pa lang, medyo short na yung LLP volume and LLP count mo. So that will trigger you, alert you, na anong gagawin mo. Anong gagawin mo pag nakikita mo na ay medyo behind yung LLP count and LLP volume mo?
Follow up.
Very
up.
good.
Huwag.
Follow up. Dapat
Attention.
mag-follow up. Mag-follow up ng mag-follow up sa mga customers and mga downlines. Follow up as early as, kaya namin ginawa yung report na yan para as early as possible, nakikita nyo na yung status ng LLP ninyo and as early as possible, makapag-monitor and follow up na kayo sa mga downlines ninyo. Remember, ang pag-follow ng customers and downlines, hindi po yan ginagawa during LLP cut-off. Okay? Ginagawa po yan as early as the 6th of every month. Okay? Actually, pwede naman kayo mag-monitor ng LLP nyo anytime of the month, no? Check nyo lang yung mga nag-LLP, yung mga hindi na mga downlines ninyo. So, itry ninyo yan ha. Mamaya, try ninyo yan, check ninyo. Baka kasi, ano na tayo ngayon? October 16 na tayo ngayon. How many days to go before mag-LLP cut off? 16, 17, 18, 19. 5 days to go before 6 days to go before mag-LLP cut off. So ngayon pa lang dapat nire-remind na ninyo yung mga downlines and customers ninyo to place the LLP orders. Okay? All right. So next please. Okay, so lahat ito, kailangan ito ang goal ninyo. Okay, every month, kailangan lumalaki ng 20% ang inyong LLP count. Ibig sabihin, lumalaki yung customer base ng mga ninyo. Okay, dapat hindi bumababa ha. For example, kung 25 ka, ang LLP count mo last September, ano ang dapat na LLP target mo this month? Kung 20% increment
30. Plus 5.
30. Very good.
30.
Okay, so dapat this month 30 ang LLP count mo at dapat minomonitor mo yan hanggang sa mag-LLP cut off. Okay? Dapat hindi bumababa sa 25. Okay? Hindi bumababa sa previous month. Huwag niyong hahayaang bumaba. Kahit hindi 20%, kung kaya 10, 15, pero basta dapat hindi mo bababa ang LLP count ninyo. Okay? Next, please. Okay? And we have a good news for you. Ang ating LLP dashboard na pakita ko na sa inyo, available na po yan sa lahat ng executive directors and ED6 QLPL. So meron tayong mga NMDs, IMDs, and GMDs in the room. Excited kami kung sino kaya sa inyo naman this October ang ma-recognize na top 1, top 2, top 3. Okay, excited kayo? All right.
Yes.
So thank you so much. That's it for me. Thank you so much. Let's go back to our very lovely GM, Ma'am Chantel Gonzalez.
Good. Yes, thank you so much, Sir Hill. Thank you so much. Na-excite kayo?
Yes.
Yes, kung excited kayo, go. Mag-STP na kayo, mag-follow up na kayo ng LLP, ha? So once again, it's been a lovely morning. It's been a lovely morning seeing all of you here. And thank you so much for always attending all Lifestyles functions. Punong-puno tayo sa Zoom meeting room. Pero marami na tayong learnings and marami na tayong natutunan and we're very excited to go out to the field already. Thank you so much, Sir Hill. Thank you so much, GMD Mitch. More power sa lahat ng teams ninyo and I wish you all a pleasant day ahead and I wish you all a happy journey towards Global Marketing Director. See you all.
Thank you, Jen.
Thank you so much.
God bless. God bless. Thank you, Ma'am Mitch.
Thank you, Ma'am.
More power to your teams.
God bless you.
More power to you too. God bless.
God bless.
God
Thank you po.
bless. More
Salamat.
power sa mga team
Thank you,
ninyo.
thank you.
Salamat. Thank you, Ma'am Chantel.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Jim.
Thank you po.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Chantel.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Recording stopped.